In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Brevo email template in just 5 minutes. The process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a handy template saved for all your future email campaigns. Let's get started. First, open a new browser tab and search for Brevo. Once you hit search, look for the official Brevo website in the list of results. It's typically the first link that appears. Go ahead and click on it. Now, it's time to log into your Brevo account. Make sure you have your login credentials on hand, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. There, you'll find an option labeled Marketing. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select Templates. You'll be directed to a new page where you can manage your email templates. Now, it's time to create a new template. Look for the Create Template button and give it a click. When prompted, select Email Template from the options presented. This action will take you to a page where you can start configuring the details of your new email template. To begin, you'll need to name your template. This name is for your reference only, so choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later. After that, it's crucial to write a clear and concise subject line. This subject will appear in the recipient's inbox, so make it attention-grabbing but informative. Alongside the subject line, you'll see an area to enter preview text. This text gives your recipients a little sneak peek of what's inside your email, enhancing the chance that they'll open it. Now it's time to set your sender details. From the drop-down lists provided, choose the email address and name you want to appear as the sender. It helps to use a more professional or recognizable email address and sender name to build trust with your recipients. With the preliminary steps complete, click on Start Designing to enter the email builder. Brevo gives you a variety of design options, so you can either select a pre-designed template from the gallery or start with a blank layout if you prefer to create something completely custom. Next, you'll see the drag-and-drop editor. This is where your creativity can really shine. Use the editor to add, move, or delete content blocks such as text, images, buttons, and dividers. These can be found under the Content tab, offering you flexibility and control over your design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Preview and Test to check how your email will appear on different devices. It's important to ensure it looks good across all platforms, as recipients may view your email on various devices. If everything looks perfect, click Save and Quit. Your newly created template is now safely stored under My Templates. You can access it anytime you need a head start on your future email campaigns. And there you have it, your Brevo email template is ready to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful.